Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to update your Instagram account to get the latest features. Instagram recently released new updates, but not everyone is seeing them yet. Let me show you two things you can do to fix this, so all the new features appear on your account. Method 1. Update Instagram in the App Store or Play Store 1. Open your App Store iPhone or Play Store Android. 2. Search for Instagram and check if there's an update available. 3. If you see the Update button, tap on it to install the latest version. If you've updated the app but still don't see the new features, try the next method. Method 2. Reinstall or offload Instagram. For iPhone users, 1. Open Settings. Scroll down and tap General. 2. Tap iPhone Storage, then find Instagram in the list. 3. Tap Offload App. This will remove the app but keep your data. 4. Reinstall Instagram and open it. Your account will still be signed in. For Android users, 1. Uninstall Instagram from your device. 2. Go to the Play Store and reinstall the app. 3. Log back in and check for the new features. Why you might not see new features. Yet Instagram releases new features in batches, meaning not everyone gets them at the same time. If you've updated the app but still don't see the new features, wait a few days or weeks. They should appear soon. I hope this helps. If it did, consider subscribing my channel. It really supports me. Thanks for watching.